Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. She is a boss, but she is not bossy. She is the only boss. She always get it done like a boss. Now, let's get it done like a boss.
Got so tired of waiting, got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately there's nothing in the way. Getting so impatient, need to get away now with you. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, salam alaikum, buenos dias, mabuhay kijanouye, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hey you guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Linda. On my channel, I post tons of home decor, a little bit of cooking and cleaning. Please consider subscribing before I leave. I would love to be part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much for stopping by. Coucou la famille, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je me présente, je m'appelle Linda. Si c'est votre première fois ici, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner, liker, partager et d'activer la cloche de notification pour ne pas manquer aucune de mes vidéos et de me laisser un petit commentaire. Merci. Si c'est la première fois à retrouver sur cette chaîne là, bienvenue ou la caillou ou moi Linda. Pas oublier abonner, quitter un commentaire et partager avec vos amis. Now, let's get it done like a boss.
And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. And if we do, then if we don't, then if we give in what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute, I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her I have to sleep in the bed I made? I don't sleep much.
To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back. Thank you for being here and supporting my channel. I truly can't tell you enough how much I appreciate you guys. I am honored. Thank you guys so much for everything. Thanks a lot for all of your support. May the Lord continue to bless each and every single one of you. Thank you so much, guys. She is a boss.
Spinning around, losing our minds. And if we do, then if we don't, then if we give in what we want, to what we want, to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, I really hope that you're coming by. But you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around.
If you are a home decor lover, you click on the white video. In today's video, I am going to show you different ways you can style your credenza. Don't forget to let me know which is your favorite look in the comment down below. Thank you so much. For those of you who are new to my channel, I love playing with home decor. I collect a lot of ginger jars, throw pillows, and designer coffee table books. When I say a lot, I mean a lot. Okay? And throw pillow as well. Now, let's get it done like a boss. Welcome to our modern home, remodeled by my husband, who's the contractor, designed by me, the one and only one, styled by Miss Linda, aka CEO of Design. Let's get it done like a boss, baby.
Coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. it's a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute, I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her I have to sleep in the bed I made? I don't sleep much at all these days, 'cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want, to what 나는 터널 끝에 stay 내게 강하게 말한 건 아니야 날카로운 말기 속에 많은 맘들 강하게 말한 건 아니야 날카로운 말기 속에 많은 맘들 가을에 끝자락에 태어나 시린 눈 속에 피어난 I'm a snowflower
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time in the next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine, à bientôt, adios, bye, au revoir, Malay. Peace out.
잊은 채 하늘을